Well, this video explains how to recover deleted Gmail accounts, exploring 5 practical methods that make the retrieval process straightforward and efficient. Part 2. How to recover deleted Gmail account from Google Account Recovery page. Go to Google Account Recovery, enter your email or phone and click Next. Input your last known password, click Next. Answer verification questions if asked. Part 3. How to retrieve deleted Gmail emails with Forgot Email feature. Visit Google Account Recovery, choose Forgot Email, enter phone or recovery email, provide full name, enter verification code, select account, enter password. Part 4. How to recover a deleted Gmail account from Google Find Email page. Go to Gmail Sign In, enter recovery email phone. If prompted, add first or last name. Answer subsequent questions accurately. Retry if verification fails with correct info. Part 5. How to recover permanently deleted Gmail account by Google Takeout. Use Google Takeout to download data, create a new Google account, unzip the file, transfer selected data to the new account, verify restoration by logging in, change email address if needed. Part 6. How to restore deleted Gmail account with Google Admin Console. In Google Admin Console, go to Users, identify user, click Reset Password, choose to generate or let system create a new password, copy and confirm identity if needed, share the password for user sign-in. Extra, recover deleted data on Android without Google Backup. To recover deleted files directly, use a professional program like Mobican Doctor for Android Win and Mac.